Property damage never comes at a good time, but when it does, you want someone there when you need them. I'm going to leave this to the experts at First Choice Restoration. Greg Rawlings, I'm glad you're here.
Happy to be here.
You started First Choice Restoration over 2 decades ago. What inspired you to start this business?
Well, my wife and I came home from a vacation, and when we got in the house, we noticed that we had over 1 inch of water in the basement. So we contacted our local insurance agent, and he sent over a restoration contractor to dry the house out and also to do the repairs. After that experience, I knew that there was an opportunity to service my community. It was hard going through the service, and I knew we could do a better job. I think being locally owned is important. My wife and I, we both live here. We raised our kids here. Our community is important to us. And when you have an emergency, you know you can pick up the phone and call us.
Dana, you're the first voice people hear when they call First Choice Restoration. Can you tell me why restoration is so important?
Well, when people have damages or an emergency situation with their home, they're usually in an emotional state, so that they need someone who's in a professional setting that can come in, take charge, get them where they need to be. Then we can come in and immediately start getting things back to where they need to be, so that we can restore the home. So we usually begin with the emergency services. Once the emergency services are complete, then we begin the estimation for the reconstruction of the home. Once the estimate is completed, then we provide a copy to the customer or the insurance company if one is involved. Once the estimate is approved, then we begin the scheduling and planning. That involves ordering material, building a schedule for that particular project. Then we begin the reconstruction of the home.
And you guys are local and on site within an hour, as well as you're quick to answer the phone. Why is that so important when it comes to restoration?
So that first and foremost, the people know that we take things very seriously and that we want to respond very quickly, so that they feel assured that they're going to be taken care of. I think the years of experience that we have, almost 20, a little bit over 20 years of experience in this industry. So I think, a quick response, letting people know that we know what we're doing, I think it puts them at ease pretty much right from the get-go.
They can follow us on most of the major social media platforms, specifically Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and most importantly, we feel like TikTok has been a great tool for us to use to showcase what we do and how we do it. We feel like it's very important, at least in today's day and age, that we be on social media, not only because a lot of people use it, but the community involvement as well. Showcasing that we are here for the community whenever they do need us in situations that we specialize in. We want to be there, and we want to show them that, hey, we're here right now. Let's get to work and get your home back to the way that it used to be, or even better. I think it's been really helpful on YouTube and TikTok especially, that not a lot of people know what we do, and sometimes they want to know how we do it. And being able to show them that we are being safe and we are taking care of your home and your belongings, that they can feel comfortable with us coming into their home and doing what we have to do in order to restore their home.
When it comes to property restoration, time is of the essence. First Choice Restoration says we're there when you need us.